Good day, everyone. We are back again. This is your tutor, Tshepo Maifo. But before I continue, I would like you to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. This is Tshepo Maifo. I'm doing mathematics. So today, this is the topic that we are going to do. It's just a small, let me say, this is only one proof that I'm gonna do today. So I'm going to prove to you that the sum of two opposite angles are equals to the exterior angle. So let's say this is for, but before I continue, this is for grade 10, grade 9 and 10. Whereby we are dealing with triangles. Remember that the sum of triangles are equals to 180. Remember that the sum of triangles are supplementary. Sum of angles in a triangle are supplementary. Let's say this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Okay? Let's say we have C1 and we have C2. So remember that we have angle A plus angle B plus angle C are equals to 180. This is the above reason that I'm talking about. So at the same time, we have a straight line that is equals to 180. Do you get it? So when we separate the two, we have a straight line again of B, C, D. That is our straight line. But in that C, we have C1 and C2, which means the sum of the two, which is C1, angle C1 plus angle C2, they are equals to 180 degrees. Reason being, these are angles in a straight line. Okay? So out of the two, I'm gonna be doing simultaneous equation. So from here, let us make C1 the subject of the formula. So therefore, it's gonna be C1, angle C1 will be equals to 180 degrees minus C2. That is our equation 1. And then on the sum of angles in a triangle, if we make C1 the subject of the formula, we have that this is C1, angle C1 equals to 180 degrees minus the sum of A and B, angle A and angle B. This is our equation 2. So remember again, C is the subject of the formula to those who are doing grade 10. C is the subject of the formula on the second equation, even on the first. So what we need to do, we have to equate both equations. This is what we are going to do. We are going to equate equation 1 and equation 2. Whereby you are going to find 180 degrees minus the sum of A and B being equals to 180 degrees minus C2. When you equate both of the equations, it's up to you whether you have to bring this 180 this side or that side. But either way, so even if you can transpose the variable, so let me say the alphabet, it can be in a form of 180 plus C2 is equals to 180 plus A plus B. When you transpose, when you swap them around, the sign changes. And then what do we have again? If we transpose this 180 to the other side, it is 180 minus 180 plus C2, which is equals to angle A plus angle B. And then 180 minus 180, that is 0. Therefore, our final statement, it is C2 equals to A plus B. Then you have to provide a reason every time. A reason being the sum of two interior angles, the sum of two opposite angles in a triangle are equals to the exterior angle. Let's hope everybody enjoyed the lesson. So, if you still want to know the proofs again, you can send me a note, or you can take my numbers on 063 295 5518. That is my number. If it happens that you need a math tutor,